First turning point is beyond the end of the airfield. Normally, of course, in a race you have two tacks a little bit far forward, but there he is, he's off. They're all different colours, so they're actually fairly easy for putting together this incredible display here today. Goes over the top, followed by the B-2. Yes, Martlett's airborne. The 860X going past. Laps mixed up here. Very few Chiltons built. Beautiful racer. Designed for maximum speed and maximum efficiency. This is interesting. Chris Upstep in the Blackburn B-2 has now taken the lead over Pete Coscorin. That gives you an idea of the difference in speeds, because all the aircraft now, once Chilton crosses the line, a little like Chilton turning on the finest turn now, once he crosses the line, Dave Reed crosses the line, all the aircraft, a lot of ground to catch up. Finishes third lap. He's already built up an impressive lead over the Bolton in second place. Just finishing second lap. Now here comes Chilton just finishing its second lap. So we've had aircraft, three of them done 3 laps. And you can tell it's a much faster aircraft. Really interesting machine, the Spartan Executive. Of course, when it was introduced, it was faster than most of the fighters. So as of now, the DH-60 in the Spartan is already catching him up. You ask, the B-2 has now done 5. Spartan has done 3. City LB. Here comes the Maggie, finishing the 4th lap. Chilton finishing the 4th lap. All very close. DH-60X finishing the 5th lap. That's crossing the line almost again. That's the DH-60 on its 5th lap and the Spartan on its 4th. Is he going to be able to catch him with any of that 6th lap? So that is the first one home. Now a whole gaggle of them. I've got to work out which laps they're on. Martlett, that's the 5th lap for the Martlett. Maggie, the 5th lap for the Maggie. Chilton, 5th lap for the Chilton. Spartan, 5th lap for the Spartan. DH-60. Spartan number 4. What's coming now? Maggie. And there goes the Martlett, final one home. After a promising start, might catch the others up, so there it goes.